issued a flash flood watch for a portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Adams, Bedford, Blair, Cambria, Cameron, Fairfield, Columbia, Cumberland, Dauphin, Elk, Franklin, Fulton, Huntington, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, McKean, Richland, Montour, Northern Chester, Northern Clinton, Northern Lycoming, Northumberland, Perry, Potter, Cujo, Snyder, Somerset, Southern Chester, Southern Clinton, Southern Lycoming, Houghton, Catalina,
Union, Warren, and York. From noon today through late tonight, recent rainfall has made the ground very wet. A few rounds of showers and thunderstorms will affect the region today into early tonight. The heaviest rain will occur in thunderstorms which are expected to form this afternoon and last into the evening. The rain may be heavy enough to cause flash flooding. Review flood safety and preparedness information at weather.gov/safety/flood.